Taxpayer OH Tax e-Services Profile Creation. To be eligible to use OH Tax e-Services, taxpayers must have a valid Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, file from inside of the United States with a domestic IP address, and have either a current Ohio driver's license or state ID or a wage statement. To complete your one-time registration for OH Tax e-Services, you will need to provide your SSN or ITIN, last name, date of birth, and one of the listed verification items. Once you've successfully created an OHID account, you'll be redirected to create a profile on the OH Tax e-Services platform. On the registration reason page, select the Myself checkbox. If you would also like to be registered as a CPA, or if you're registering for additional users, you may select both checkboxes on this page. After making your selection, click Next. On the next page, you will be asked to enter some identity information. Your first and last name will be pre-populated based upon your OHID login information. Your phone number, Social Security number, and mailing address are required. Please note that the driver's license information is an optional field. You will also enter your mailing address on this page. Street, city, state, and zip code are required. After your mailing address has been entered, select the Verify Address button. Once the address is verified, you will see a check mark as confirmation. After you are finished verifying your identity information and your mailing address, click Next. On this next page, you will be asked to validate your account information. The OH Tax e-Services platform does house secure taxpayer information, including federal tax information. To secure your account, we are required to have a shared secret between yourself and the Ohio Department of Taxation. There are 5 options that you can select from to satisfy this shared secret requirement. These options include information of a prior year Ohio IT 1040 return, information from a wage statement, or a letter ID. If you have not filed a return with the state of Ohio, do not have any wage statements, or have not received a letter from the department, you can select the Request a Letter link located at the top of the page. This will prompt the department to send you a welcome letter. Once you receive this letter, you'll be able to validate your account using the corresponding letter ID. After you have completed one of the validations, click Next. The last step for creating the OH Tax e-Services profile is to indicate how you wish to receive correspondence from the department. Please read the correspondence and notification terms of service and select the checkbox to acknowledge your understanding. Then select whether you would like to opt in or opt out of electronic correspondence. We recommend that you opt in to electronic correspondence for ease of use and to expedite the receipt of notices issued by the department. After you have selected the checkbox and your consent option, click Next. Next will be a review page. Please review all the information for accuracy. If everything is correct, click Submit. Your OH Tax e-Service account has been successfully created. You will be given a confirmation code which you can keep for your records. Once taking note of your confirmation code, click OK. You are now registered for the OH Tax e-Services account and will be redirected to your OH Tax e-Services dashboard. You may see a message indicating that you have limited access to your account while the department verifies your information. For more information about all of the features OH Tax e-Services has to offer, please visit tax.ohio.gov/myportal. For additional updates from the Ohio Department of Taxation, you may sign up for tax-specific alerts at tax.ohio.gov/tax alerts, or by following the department on our social media platforms.